front yard entryway ideas, stunning garden gates and arches to elevate your home. Every small space holds the power to inspire. With vision and care, even the simplest entryway can reflect warmth, welcome, and a story worth sharing. Your front yard is the first chapter. Transformation begins at the threshold. A thoughtful entryway, no matter how modest, creates an atmosphere of grace and possibility, reminding us that beauty can blossom in the smallest of places. The front of your home is more than a passage edge, a reflection of spirit. By shaping it with love, you set the tone for every moment that follows, both inside and out. Whispers a message. With intention, your front yard becomes not just a path to the door, but an expression of care, creativity, and the art of welcome. Small spaces are never limitations, only opportunities in disguise. With imagination, even the most modest yard becomes a meaningful symbol of charm, hospitality, and lasting impression. inviting entryway is like an open hand reaching forward. It tells visitors they are welcome, turning ordinary steps into a journey that begins with comfort, beauty, and belonging. Home begins before the door. The path, the entrance, the feeling it gives, all these create the heartbeat of arrival, where style and soul meet in harmony. Front yard has a voice. When shaped with thought and care, it speaks of warmth, character, and the promise of memories waiting to be made just beyond the gate. A welcoming entryway is more than design, it's an emotion. It lingers long after the first impression, reminding us that true beauty lies in how we make others feel at home.